Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to number columns in Google Sheets. So this is actually pretty simple and straightforward. Just follow my steps. First, select the first cell where you want to start your numbering. Now type in 1 and then select the second cell where you want to continue the numbering and type in 2. Now, in order to number all of the columns that you have, just simply select these two cells and here find this little blue dot and hold it and drag it to where you want your numbering to end. So it is usually to the end of your table. Now release and you can see that it is automatically numbered all of the other columns. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.